This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location sharing in the Floorp web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Floorp web browser opened up now. To enable or disable location sharing, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the permission section, and the very first thing here, location. You want to click on Settings off to the right of location. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, at the very bottom of it, block new requests asking to access your location. If this box is unchecked, then you're allowing location sharing. If it is checked, you're blocking new requests asking to access your location. Then you want to go down to the lower right corner of the dialog box and click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable location sharing in the Floorp web browser. Thanks for watching.